it. It's going to be a point of view video. I'm driving my Mazdaspeed3. Sorry for the audio. This is the GoPro Hero. Just really trying to see how this comes out. Due to the lack of content there is online for Mazdaspeed, specifically YouTube, I figured people would like to see some more on there, reading comments on different speed videos, you know. So hopefully something you guys like. If so, just give me a like, subscribe, let me know what else I can do interesting for the speed community. If I get some views on here, I'll make another one for mods list. Just have to wash my car up. But quick summary of it, it is a 2011 or Gen Poo Mazdaspeed3 full bolt-on Corksport Turbo CST4. I am tuned on 93. I'm still going through the tuning process with Justin at FREEKTUNED. But this is my fourth map on the Corksport Turbo, and it is phenomenal. It runs great. Car pulls hard. I think I'm hitting a constant 21.5 psi, and this Corksport Turbo is lovely. It doesn't die out. Due to current times, COVID and such, I don't really drive it daily, but I make an excuse to try to at least use my car, even if it's to go around a corner, which is what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna do a quick second, third gear pull for you guys. Pretty empty street in Mexico, of course. So hopefully you could hear it go. That's about it. Pretty fun car. I didn't push it to the max, of course. Watt pulls, I need some good room, and I don't do that locally, but little pull. It's great, it is. You know, I think the next mods I will be doing will be suspension mods, you know, upgrading the sway bars. I have a couple of those suspension upgrades done already, but definitely want to do a couple more, and definitely get some wider tires, you know, wider rims. I'm not looking for that stance look, more like a functional 17x9 wheel with some fat tires, you know, 235, 245s. Let me put the get some traction, put the power down. Otherwise I am, and that little pull was with traction control. I do burn through second gear and some of third gear without it, and I do got some pretty good all-season tires there. I Toyo Proxies all-season, the super, I forgot what they're called, but Toyo Proxies all-season. So anyways, alright, we're here at my destination. Brakes are a bit loud. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Alrighty, here you go on the way back home. You know, I hope I do get a better video camera just to really capture the audio. Car sounds sweet. It is an ultimate racing catback with no resonator. Resonated mid-pipe. It's actually the louder version. I have an ATP catted long downpipe, so just one high flow cat on that. And well, she sounds beautiful. She's pretty loud, a good amount of drone, but I don't mind it at all. I actually quite enjoy it. You'll read everywhere on the forums, best sounding Mazdaspeed exhaust. I think so. The fitment was pretty good too. Slightly off, but it's not a big deal. I mean, I could probably look into just doing something. Yeah, those brakes are pretty squeaky. They're new. They are really new. They don't have more than 1,000 miles on them, but it's just loud brakes. Again, I recommend EBCS stuff over these Hawk HPS blues, 100%. But anyways, okay. Do a little pull again. We'll do it on third, I think. Let you guys see the speedo and stuff. Max is ports down here. I don't have any gauges to show what boost I'm hitting, but maybe I'll try. Yeah, let's see. Nice little pull. Again. It is. Whoop, told you it was broken, so don't judge. Get that fixed. Cool car, man. It's awesome. Maybe I'll put this outside and see if you can see hear the car better. Very cool stuff. Access port at 21.5. Those brakes. Since I knew I won't change them, but I do kind of regret not getting the yellow stuff that I previously had. I wanted to try, you know. Look on forums, there's two pads they really recommend, the HPS and the Hawk HPS, the blue ones, or the yellow stuff. And first got the yellow stuff, super content with it, kind of squeak, good amount of dust, but these, man, in my opinion, a lot more squeaking, a lot more dust. Okay, I'll say that dust is probably a little bit less, but way more squeaking, like, since I put them on, brand new. I did break them in, or whatever the proper term is, according to the guidelines provided by the company, you know, Hawk. Comes on the packaging, and they still pretty loud, so. My personal recommendation, EBC yellow stuff over these, and again, I did daily drive the car a lot more with the yellow stuff. Way more bite. The dust is kind of a problem, but I don't really mind. I didn't buy my car to keep it in the garage. I actually bought it to use it and enjoy the speed and all that. We'll see. Anyways, alright guys, I'll post this, see what it is. Have a good night, everyone. Again, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. You could do a video of mods, exterior view, you know. Just gotta prettier up.